everyone, yung Mama Betcha here and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa akin channel, please consider subscribing as I create videos that can guide you in your online selling journey, lalong-lalo na sa LAZADA platform. A year and a half na po ang ating channel and we have grown into 8,000 subscribers and counting. Maraming salamat po sa mga subscribers natin, sa mga lahat ng mga nakasubaybay sa akin channel. I keep on praying that every one of you na nag-start na mag-online selling will be successful sa inyong mga journey. So please keep the momentum and do not lose your dedication sa inyong mga online shops. Ayan. So, ang dami pong comments no, na hindi ko na nasasagutan and pagpasensyahan nyo na po ang inyong Mama Betchay kung hindi ko na nasasagot lahat. I would suggest po na panoorin nyo yung aking mga videos since nasa channel ko po yung mga basic tutorial na pwede ding maging kasagutan sa inyong mga tanong. Pero in today's video though, sasagutin ko po yung mga tanong who really stood out sa mga comments na nababasa ko po. Ano? So, binabasa ko po talaga yung mga comments nyo. But most of the time, hindi ko na po talaga siya nasasagutan. Pero let me just flash yung mga questions no dito sa ating screen dyan. Kung ano yung mga tanong na nag-stand out po para sa akin. Mga questions like, pwede ba ako magbenta sa LAZADA o Shopee ng walang on-hand products? Pwede bang magbenta online kahit may full-time job ako? And then meron din tayong mga katanungan from our OFWs no na OFW po ako, pwede ba akong kumita kahit wala ako sa Pilipinas, and anong products po yung pwede ibenta online na hindi ako mamumuhunan. Ayan, so yan po yung mga tanong na nag-stand out po talaga para sa akin, and I'm sure na sa mga nanonood today, for sure nasa isipan nyo na rin yan yung mga tanong na yan, no? So, sasagutin po natin yan in today's video. So, kung gusto nyong malaman ang aking sagot, please keep on watching. As we continue to bravely face the pandemic, marami po sa atin ang gustong magbenta online. And one of the challenges is kung saan tayo kukuha ng supplier. Meron din sa atin na umuwi ng Pilipinas during this time na may COVID, an OFW na gusto kumita while nandito pa siya kasama ang kanilang pamilya. So in today's video, i-share ko po sa inyo kung paano kayo magbenta sa LAZADA at Shopee online selling platform na hindi na kailangan pumunta sa inyong mga supplier. Hindi na kailangan pumunta ng Divisoria, ng Taytay, o kung saang local source pa yan. Dahil may good news po ako sa inyo, no? Dahil pwede na po magbenta sa LAZADA at Shopee na walang on-hand products. Okay? So kung paano? Through dropshipping. I know that some of you here are already familiar with what dropshipping is. Pero sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-encounter ng dropshipping, that is what we are going to talk about today sa video na ito. But before we dwell into what is dropshipping, i-discuss ko muna to give you an idea kung ano nga ba yung typical and yung setting natin, no, yung classic setting natin sa pagbebenta sa LAZADA at Shopee. Sa ngayon kasi, or in the past few years, no, the typical and classic setting po ng pagbebenta sa LAZADA at Shopee is kukuha ka bilang online seller, kukuha ka muna ng stocks sa supplier mo, dadalhin mo yan sa bahay mo if you're working from home as an online seller, o kung may warehouse ka man, dadalhin mo yung on-hand products na yun sa warehouse. After that, you do all the pictorials, it involves editing as well, then you post it sa platform sa LAZADA at Shopee. Kapag nag-order naman ang customer, then you as an online seller will do your processing of orders. So that also involves packaging. After that, i-endorse mo siya kay courier for shipping. Okay? So yan po ang typical setting ng ating mga online sellers. While ang dropshipping po, ayan. So kung ang dropshipping naman po, mainly, yung shop mo is only used for marketing. Iso-showcase mo lang yung mga products na pwedeng bilhin ng customers. And of course, these products are available kay supplier. Okay? Dahil sa dropshipping po, yung supplier na yung bahala sa products. Okay, so sila na yung magbibigay ng products mo, sila na rin ang bahala sa storage, ang warehouse, inventory ng products mo. Di mo na kailangan ng warehouse. And by the time din na kapag may bumili, si customer bumili, si supplier na rin yung magpapack ng orders for you. And siya na rin ang mag-i-endorse sa logistics or sa courier. So, yan po ang dropshipping. Ayan, so kung mabanggit ko lang, no, kung naka-follow ka sa aking channel and sa aking Facebook account, nabanggit ko in one of my speaking engagement na I started as an online seller na dropshipping ang setup. So by then, wala akong that time, wala akong perang nilabas na product. So, ginawa ko, post lang ako ng post sa Facebook. And then, kapag may bumili, si supplier na yung bahala sa shipping. Ayan. So, napakagaan po actually yung proseso ng dropshipping. Hindi lang magaan sa bulsa, of course, yung bandwidth mo, no, as a seller. So, ganyan po yung dropshipping. And sana, in the last few minutes na na-explain ko, na-explain ko po ng simple at naintindihan nyo. So, kung naintindihan nyo po, paki-thumbs up naman po ang button. Thumbs up button sa video na ito. Ayan. So, ang tanong natin, meron bang dropshipping company sa Pilipinas? Yan, di ba? So, napaka-perfect timing, no, na in times of pandemic, meron na pong dropshipping available sa Pilipinas. Okay? It is owned and it is owned by a Filipino, of course, for the Filipinos din. I'm sure na marami sa inyo na dati pa nagsisearch about dropshipping kasi ako ganun din eh. And nagre-research din po ako ng mga dropshipping in the last 4 years. And yung mga video na nakikita ko online always leads me to a dropship, no, using international companies na based sa ibang bansa. Most of the time, yung mga dropship company nakikita ko, naka-base sa China. Nitong first quarter ng 2020, I stumbled itong isang company sa Philippines. And I believe they are one of the first dropshipping company dito sa Pilipinas. And I'm happy to introduce, no, the dropshipping company called Dropify.ph. Ayan, so Dropify.ph, ipa-flash ko rin yung kanilang logo. This is owned by a Filipino himself and founder po nito is Sir Charles Ryan C. Ayan, so for me, upon checking on their website, no, Dropify.ph pave the way for new opportunities sa ating mga Filipinos to start selling online na walang on-hand products. They offer a more convenient way of drop shipping sa dalawang local online selling platform pa. So with Dropify.ph, you can sell either with LAZADA platform or Shopee. So in short, yun, maaari ka magbenta sa Shopee o LAZADA na walang on-hand products using Dropify.ph. So kung paano, please continue watching as I will explain later on the how-to. Ayan. So by the way, this is not sponsored by Dropify.ph, but as promised in my last video na ipagpapatuloy ko po, no, ang pagbibigay ng mga contents na makakatulong po sa inyo. It will also give you ideas and inspiration, and I think that the best way to start doing it nitong pagbabalik ko after a month long of hiatus, no, is to talk about itong one great opportunity na nakikita ko with Dropify.ph. Okay? Ayan, so let me flash our screen. I'm going to talk about the quick and easy ways to start with Dropify.ph.
To start your own store with Dropify.ph, all you need to do is sign up po and register for free. Yes, tama po kayo. Free lamang po yung registration tsaka pag-sign up po sa website ng Dropify.ph. So all you need to do is go to www.dropify.ph. Again, it's www.dropify.ph. Ayan, so kung nakaharap kayo sa inyong mga mobile or sa inyong PC, ayan, i-search nyo na po ang Dropify.ph so you can check yourselves how the website looks like and what are the things that they can offer you being a drop shipper sa pinakamalaking platform, online selling platform like Lazada and Shopee. And very soon, they are also planning of doing it with Shopify. Okay, so as soon as naka-register na po kayo, The registration, by the way, it will ask your information like your full name, your email address, your phone number, and so on. Ayan. So kapag nakapag-register na tayo, in there, you will have the full access na po nung catalog collection ng Dropify.ph. So, nandito po yung mga stores, yung mga products na makikita nyo noon that you can dropship sa inyong store kung gusto nyo mag-dropship using the LAZADA, gusto nyo mag-dropship using the Shopee platform. Okay? So, let me just show you a sneak peek nung website mismo ng Dropify.ph. Okay? So, this is what it looks like. This is their website. As you can see there, Dropify.ph. And dumiretso po tayo sa Stores tab. So, when you click on the Stores tab, in there you will see kung ano yung catalog, ang mga products na pwede nyong i-dropship or ibenta online sa pinakamalaking online selling platform sa Lazada at sa Shopee. Ayan. So, scroll down lang po natin. Again, this is just a sneak peek. We are not going to go into the full details, but as you can see here, you can dropship mga bags, mga damit, may mga baby essentials, may sleep essentials, even shoes. So, nandyan po lahat. Ayan. So, bisitahin nyo na rin, again, yung Dropify.ph. Okay? So, the second step, okay, to join the Dropify.ph is to select yung store and subscribe. Okay? So, this is, since may access ka na sa Dropify.ph, then i-check mo na kung ano yung mga store that you think will fit you as a drop shipper. So, binanggit ko nga kanina and pinakita ko no na meron silang wide selection of store catalog. So, isa-isahin nyo po yan. After registration, isa-isahin nyo. Makikita nyo dyan yung mga individual items, mga individual products per catalog or per category. Okay? So, kung buo na po yung loob nyo and once you have selected your store, and then i-proceed na po natin yung subscription. Ayan. So, that is kung ano yung mga subscription ng catalog na gusto mong magkaroon na store sa Dropify. Okay? So, proceed to subscription. So, nandiyan na po yung mga payment options and then i-check out nyo na po. Okay? So, I believe that they are accepting PayPal as payment option, no, for the subscription, and you can go for monthly subscription and also yearly. Ayan. So, I would suggest per feedback ng ating mga dropshippers sa Dropify.ph, it would be better if you subscribe yearly dahil mas mura daw po yung subscription mo kapag nagbayad ka ng yearly subscription compared sa monthly. Okay? So, the third step, of course, is you send all the requirements. So, ano yung mga requirements na to? Depende po sa business registration compliance or needs na kailangan. Kasi dahil it depends on you kung gusto mong mag-dropship sa Lazada platform, then may sarili po silang requirements. For example, a copy of your national ID, picture, yung front and back, shop name, and for Shopee, they also have their own requirements. So, to know the details, you can visit yung frequently asked questions na available sa Dropify.ph. Okay? And then, yung sunod na step, of course, is yung Dropify approval. So, this is where verification of the details that you sent, yung mga requirements, will undergo verification. Okay? I believe, according naman sa mga feedback ng ating mga dropshippers na nakasubscribe kay Dropify.ph, is madali naman po ang verification. Okay? And then, lastly, okay, last but not the least is start your store with Lazada or Shopee through Dropify. By this time, you are now a store owner. Ayan. So, may store ka na po. Depende po sa sinelect mo. Depende sa sinubscribe mo kung sa Lazada ba yan or sa Shopee. So, Dropify will create your store in 72 hours. So, hintay-hintayin lang po natin and coordinate with the Dropify customer care service to give you your own store then you can start your drop shipping journey na with Dropify. Ayan. So, kung hindi mo na po problemahin ang paggawa ng store dahil si Dropify na po ang gagawa niyan for you. So, hihintayin mo na lang yung last 4 steps, no? Pag ginumpleto mo na yon, so hintayin mo na lang within 72 hours na i-email sa iyo yung store mo sa LAZADA or sa Shopee. Okay? With regards to an additional information, then, you do not need to upload anymore one by one yung mga pictures, no? Kasi pag binigay na sa'yo ng Dropify yung store mo sa LAZADA or sa Shopee, naka-upload na po doon ang lahat ng mga products na ida-dropship mo, na ibebenta mo sa inyong LAZADA store or sa Shopee store. Okay? And by the way, ang Dropify.ph also accepts supplier, no? Hindi lang po subscribers or dropshippers ng dalawang platform na to, but mabanggit ko lang din that they also accept supplier. So if you want to know the details how to be a supplier kay Dropify, you can visit their website dropify.ph, and then meron dong tab na be a supplier. So just fill out all the necessary details that they need, and a customer service from dropify.ph will reach out to you telling you the details kung paano maging supplier kay Dropify.ph.
So, there are 5 steps to start selling sa LAZADA and Shopee through Dropify.ph. You can check the frequently asked questions section sa kanilang website by going to www.dropify.ph for more details. Now, before we end this video, depende po sa takbo ng video na to. If you want to know the nitty-gritty details kung paano ang Dropify.ph, subscribe to my channel now and i-click na rin po yung thumbs up button sa aking mga videos. Dahil I'm planning of doing a Dropify series tutorials para po sa inyo for free that will be available sa channel na ito. And who knows, if God permits and if God will provide, I will subscribe to Dropify.ph just for you, sa inyong aking mga subscribers, sa mga naka-follow. Kung interesado ka sa Dropify, again, if God permits, I will subscribe to Dropify.ph so I can start sharing tips, sharing tutorials, the how-to, kung paano nga ba magbenta sa platform na ito, sa LAZADA or Shopee using the Dropify.ph. So, kung gusto nyo yun, ano pa hinihintay nyo, edi thumbs up nyo na ang video na ito. Well, once again, this is your Mama Betchay. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Stay safe! Bye!